Okay. Intros. Good. Turn on my screen. Make sure everything's running properly. Okay, we're good. Good morning. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna start. Let me actually ping the person who requested this. See if they're actually online. I believe it was Love something. Yeah, Love Me. Okay. So first things first, I need to make a new flag. A new battle flag for reflect damage. Good morning. I guess it is a new for you, but so first things we need to do is we need to find a reference point. Skill DB, and for our reference point we're going to use the one I just made the other day, which is Pirate Crit. F3. Let's see, go to definition. So you'll want to find the INK, which are the, I forget what the INK stands for, but ignore flee, ignore damage splash, all that stuff, and make a new one. No reflect. Easy breezy beautiful cover girl. Let's go ahead and find all references real quick. How are you this morning? Or afternoon again, I suppose, for you. Okay, no reflect. And then all it is return false on there, which essentially we're going to copy this and reflect. No, not entire solution. Let's see, SC reflect. SC reflect damage. Okay. And then we'll add a thing if here. If skill ID, we don't need the no skill ID. Return 0. And then INK no reflect. There we go, boom. Yeah, Soul Taker's awesome. It probably overtuned, honestly, but it's fine. It takes up your defensive slot, so voila. No, there's no reflect in there now, and then let me go ahead and copy this little bit of code again. And then I'll add, I need, I need to look up magic reflect. What is the magic reflect? SC magic mirror, if I remember correctly. No. NM underscore magic. Oh my fucking god, I hate auto slows. I was right, SC magic mirror, okay. SC magic mirror. Find all references, or actually I don't need to find all references. No, I do need to find all references. Find all references. Um, get rid of that if, get rid of that. There we go. No. Yeah. Dude, the return doesn't go there. There we go, much better. Sup. Coding Jesus. Just coding a no reflect flag for, I forget who it was. Yep, love me. Okay. No reflect. And then, now we need to define the YAML phasing part, which this is actually the harder part. I believe I actually need to go to... forget where I need to go. So let me just look up Pirate Crit real quick. God damn it. Oh, who pinged me? Oh, someone pinged me in support. Oh no, yeah, so these are my Steam plans. I'm doing Reflect Damage, EFST No Line Protector, and then whatever else you guys asked for. And then I'll see how much I far into this shit. But let me close that song. Dink. Oh my god, final references. There is a, where is it? There it is, okay. So let me go ahead and add the YML for this. I forgot to add it into my own, so. And then, so this will be 100 rate, 9U, 10U, yep. And this will be no reflect. There we go. Damage values. If true. Yeah, the CSV to YML. Actually doesn't really matter because it will not be used if you don't have it anymore, but, or if you already have it in YML. So you don't need this part, but I'll just leave it out. Dude. And there we go. So that was no reflect. And it should work fine. Let's test it. Build solution. La. Oh, Jesus Christ, there's 9 people on already. If any of you guys have a request for something for me to do, let me know. Let me go ahead and plug in my iPad since I was watching streams all night. I watched the Final Fantasy IX speedrun from AGDQ 2019. It was quite good. Okay, build is complete. Now let's go ahead and give a skill deflag to test. Import. So this should work for both. Actually, wait. No. Find all references real quick. Let me double check one. And it needs to be a no. That's what I thought. Build solution. There we go. And let's see. Skill DB. Skill DB. Let's go ahead and we'll use pirate because why not? Not hull strike, and we'll use copy this, paste, no, reflect, file, save. So not hull strike should not be reflected. Close, run server, minimize. Let me double check to make sure I haven't logged in my main account real quick. So it's still my temp account, or my placeholder one. What do you want to give away usernames and stuff? Yeah, okay, it's fine. I didn't think so, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I usually check before stream. I did not do that today. Boom. Sleep. What's that? What's that now? I don't know what that is. Oh, come on. There we go. Fucking A. Add job. 4248. Add all skills. And J level 99. Add all skills again. Okay, and that was not hull strike, which is mean to reflect. At heal. What's a monster that uses reflect a lot? I know. At spawn. I actually don't know. DB pre-race mob skill DB reflect golden thief bug. Okay, 1086. Well, spawn 1086. One second. Kind of hard to tell with a monster that has summons that kill monster. Let me find a monster that doesn't have summons. Reflect. Dark frame 1260. Okay. Yeah, spawn 1260. What's your condition? 1260. Dark frame. When it attacks on self, always. Come on, cast Reflect Shield. So I can actually test this fucking skill. Oh my god, come on. There we go, fuck. Okay. Yep, not reflected, perfect. Boom. Okay, done. Clean map. It's already running, thank you. So I'll go over that one more time. So find all references. First, you define it. First thing you do is refine it. Define it, not refine it. In skill H, you export it. Make sure you export it. That's not so it can be used properly. And then you need to add to the reflect flags. So magic reflect right here, which is in skill CPP. You can just look for earthquake. And in battle calc return damage. Oh yeah, it's super easy. I already knew it was like 5-6 lines. It's 4 lines of code. And then you need to flag every skill you want to have no reflect. And voila, done. That was fun. So now I can make skills not take reflect damage if I want. For instance, Grimtooth can be flagged as no reflect. Which it shouldn't be affected by reflect anyways on our server, since hiding and cloaking block reflect. But what was the other thing? Next is EFST for land protector. Close this. Close all things. Is there an SC for land protector? I don't think there actually is an SC for land protector. No, there is not. It's UNT. Is it UNT or UNIT? Ah. There it is. Okay. See, find all references real quick. So there's really the only 2 references for land protector, or what? Let's go ahead and get rid of the unit flag real quick. Just look at land protector. Cell. Oh, it's a cell type, that's why. Okay. I think the unit is just used for the visuals. Okay. Okay. If even one of its cells work for land protector. So I'm reading how this skill works real quick. Okay, interesting. Now let me look up SA Deluge real quick. I'm pretty sure it can be as simple as define it here, but we need to make sure we need to get an SC to apply to land protector first. So first we need to get an SC to apply to land protector. God, I hate this code right here. That's so ugly. Let's go ahead and find our references real quick. And while that's loading, copy, paste, SA land protector. Pick a definition. Let's go ahead and scroll down to custom ones real quick, which should be at the bottom for me. Yep, here's all my custom ones. SC land protector. I can possibly use this later on for staying my own. EFST ground magic. Does Deluge have a offhand? Does Deluge have a EFST or no? SCP none. I don't recall. But we'll go ahead and cut, paste. Oh, didn't tabulate properly, or whatever. Okay. FSC data deluge. Might be a little more trickier than I thought. EFST is the side icon, the status icon on the side of the screen, on the right side of the screen. Yeah, it's like effect status icon is what it's short for, or something like that. Let me check something real quick. DB, pre-read, skill DB, SAD, luge. Okay, that's what I thought. So, it has its own unit data as well. And let's go UNT deluge. That's what I thought. Let's go ahead and copy this real quick. And then this would be UNT underscore land protector, which already exists, by the way. Lot of references real quick. I think that should be one of the only couple references. I think it's only 3. Yeah, so it's 3. Okay. Oh well, stream died. Remember, I need to open up the stream on my thing so I can actually read chat faster. There we go. There we go. Deluge. Build solution. SA deluge real quick. Okay, that's what I thought. Close, close, minimize, run server. I don't know if that EFST actually exists, so we'll find out in a second though. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me oh, viewers dropped from like 11 to like 3. That was really short. Okay. No big deal. I'm sorry, coding is boring. At job sage. At job professor, actually. At J level 99. At all skills. Let me. Deluge requires yellow gemstone, right? At item 917? No. At yeah, yellow gemstone. 715, okay, that's right. 715, 716, 717 ISDs. I guess I don't need a sneeze. What? Why can I not get skills? I'm very confused right now. What? Huh? DB. I don't think I've edited a Sage. Oh, wait. Shit. These changes don't belong here. Close, close, save. I need to restart server for this most likely. Let me go ahead and drop this in here real quick. I know what this was. This was for me experimenting. I was experimenting with getting rid of these skills, combining them into one. At reload skill DB. At all skills. Yeah, I'm actually the physical restart. Okay. Alright, I really hate the skill DB, the YML format, because changing things doesn't work all the time. So run server. Yep, yes it is. Okay, disable the warp portal. Yeah, those can all get removed. Save. Did. Okay, it's done loading. Try this again. There we go. Fucking A. That was a pain in the ass. Okay. Yeah, so it drops that. And then that should instantly go away. Yep. And then where's land protector? At item 71510, 716, and 717. Land protector. There you go. Okay, done. That was easy. Easy breezy beautiful. Well, yeah, they were easy tasks. Let me check something real quick. Actually, I move this one real quick right here. Copy, paste. I'm gonna adjust this real quick. So, 1000. Let me check out Quagmire real quick. Quagmire goes away right away. Right? Find all references real quick. No, it doesn't. Okay. I mean, yeah, this part doesn't matter, but it can be adjusted. Save. Okay. Oh. File save. How long should I make the duration for? Because it doesn't actually matter. 1 second is probably good. Build solution. Nope, no build solution. Close. Build solution. Oh, I hit rebuild. Oh well. Take just a little bit longer. Oh, I disconnected. Oh no, I wonder what happened there. Okay. I don't know if Gids is in stream or not, because that was his request. If he is, he should probably let me know so I can go recap it one more time. And then I can start doing a request. If nobody has a request, then I'll either work on the Necro design. I'll probably work on the Necro or skill rework or job rework. Maybe. I don't really. I have no idea how to do the dynamic range still. Okay, that was fun. Run server. Run client. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, go ahead. Ask what you want. I actually have it summed up right here. Yeah, I do want to have a look at it, but I have no idea where to even start with it, because I can't find... Because the way the damage is calculated, I'm not sure how to do it without like recoding a bunch of stuff first. So the right hand attack needs to be melee. The left-handed attack needs to be ranged. Regardless of your distance. And then if you're over range for your right-handed attack, your right-handed attack should not attack. And if you're not within that range, your left-handed attack should attack. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Yeah. Yeah, so it's fairly complicated. This part's easy. That part's already done. Yeah, this part's already done. So ammo check, that's easy. I already coded that. If no ammo, you can't attack at range, so this won't matter. That'll be just basic attack. But I don't want your second weapon to be counted. So if you have a pistol and a gun and you don't have ammo, your gun won't fire basically. And it'll do 90% of your damage. If you have a sword and a gun and you're within melee range, it will do 2 hits. The first hit being melee, the second hit with elemental endow, the second hit being with ammo and consume ammo. Yeah, this is the tricky part right here. Let's go ahead and test this out again. At all skills. At item 71510, 71610, and 71710. And then let's go ahead and cast Land Protector. Okay. Is there a flag for leaving a unit, I wonder? This could be done better, but it's functional, so I could probably go ahead and take a look at let's go ahead and scroll up real quick. On skill unit place. Let's see. I got a definition. I knew there was another one on unit left. Okay. Case SA Land Protector. Add that in, and then we'll go ahead and look at unit Land Protector again. And this can be switched back to SG limit, so it can be moved back up here. And that should fix that. Close all windows, build solution, close. Okay. And let's see if this makes it cleaner. It should, in theory. We already have the on exit coded. I was thinking about making a land skill that if you leave it, like a death arena type thing, but if you leave it, you die. Yes, simple. If you leave the arena, you die. But it sounds cool, but at the same time, it sounds cancer. Particularly if it's removed by Gab. Possibly damage, yeah. Yeah, it was just an idea I was playing with. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking it was for Necro class. I'm not sure if I want to split the Necro class into 2 classes or not. I think I still want to leave it as 1 class. Or 1 tree. But so the original design of Necro class, there was 2 ways of job changing. The original players had the option to do Acolyte, level with Acolyte, and then go instead of going straight from Novice. And you'd be twisted into a Necromancer. There was even some dialogue and stuff like extra dialogue and stuff that you'd see when you did the job quest. But I ended up going against that, mostly because of skill point issues. So you'd end up with all these extra skill points, which I could solve. Like that's not a hard problem. You just set the skill points back down to 0. 1, 2, 3. But I didn't want to deal with it. So, god damn it, my item. I need to make sure I save real quick. Item 715 10 6 7. Alright, go 0. I go ahead and storage, open storage. Go ahead and drop in this arrow quick, close, that way it saves my inventory. And sell. Go ahead and sell all my runes real quick. All these random items I somehow pick up. I plan on doing a second class, but I don't know if I want it to be a split tree or not. That's my only question, is whether I want it to be a split tree. So have Necro, let's say Dark Acolyte. And then have that split into Banshee and Necromancer or something Necromancer. I don't know if I like that idea or not. Or if I just want it to be first, second, rebirth, first, second. I'm leaning towards only 1 line. Because I can always add another line later on. That's not a big deal. Add all skills. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. All done. I don't know if Gib is in chat. Let me ping him real quick. Let's see if he responds. Yeah, he's not responding, so oh well. I'll go over it one more time so I can always link in the VOD. So first things first, find the unit deluge, add unit protector. That's all I did right there. Then you want to find in the skill on unit on left with a walking out of the effect. Sage Protector, if SCE, which is if it's enabled, end it. Which this can actually probably go here, but it's fine. Since this is SC, doesn't actually do jack shit. Actually, personally, I would do it right here for. There we go. That way it follows through. And then all you do is you add land protector to. Where is it? To status. Not status age, status C. Yeah, right there. Boop. God fucking damn it. There. Yeah, then you just add line protector right here with the E of ST you want. If Freya's here or around, I would love to hear from them, but maybe ping them on Discord real quick. I think she's already off for the night though. Yeah, I don't see her online on Discord at least. Unless she's appearing offline, which is always possible. Okay, next discussion. I think this would be cooler if this actually told you the remaining time. So when you walk back in, it told you the remaining time on the skill, rather than just saying 5:45. I mean, it'd probably be doable by doing. Go ahead and find unit land protector again. How do you get the unit's current duration or remaining duration? I don't think I've ever actually done that. Which class has Gabadon? Hi. About including an item counter into the inventory, something like X out of 100 items or so. That's already there. What are you talking about? Wait, is it not? I could have swore there was a fucking counter on this, or is that a renewal later client feature? That might I'm not gonna be able to do that if it's not already in the client, because there's nowhere to put it. Huh. Maybe it was when I was testing the 2020 clients I saw it. Probably C. Java's really easy, actually. Java's really easy. HTML is easy, obviously. Depends on what you want to do. If you just want to code for coding, I would say Java or Python. Yeah, C++ is the best. What's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, C, C#, C++ are really good. Yeah, like Nid said. Nid, you code professionally, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. No problem, Lux. Also good to see you. So let's go over. I guess I'll go start going over Necromancer job. Necromancer at J level 99 at job 4219. Actually, reminds me I need to do two things. These are notes for myself, not really for the stream, but move SC, not more. Move EFST, move job IDs. Let me ping. Is Chris online? I don't know if he's watching, but let me see if he's online. No, he's not online, or he's not appearing online. I want to make room for the 4th job classes, as well as baby versions of all the classes in my yeah, I want to move the job IDs to make room for 4th jobs as well as baby versions of every job. While I'm not going to use the jobs, I still want all their code for reference purposes. So if I want to, I need to reference something like a new skill or something like that. Yes, I do want the sprites though. I already have the sprites actually. They're in this upcoming patch. Oh, now do you happen to know a good way of coding a expanding circle? From a center point, obviously. I'm not sure how to do it. I can probably look it up, but I don't like using Stack Overflow and stuff like that. I very, very rarely look things up. Well, yeah. Yeah, that's the problem. It's like, because we use solid XYs. So obviously it'd be 1 3x3 minus the 1, 5x5 minus the corners, 7x7 minus the 2 corners. No, water drag is not. That's only a visual effect. It's actually a square. Yeah. Visual effects are one thing, but actually coding it in XYZ is not the same. Yeah. So if you actually get on the water, actually let me get on the water real quick. At job 4249 at all skills. Get water dragon real quick. Hatch my baby right there, and then if I cast mantle, so it actually goes up to right here. I believe it's 7. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. But it's a square, so it's actually right here, which is technically out of this, or right here, which is technically out of the circle. Yeah, it's just casting an effect, and the thing is, the effect does it? I don't think it changes size. Then at your zoom. Yeah. It does. Okay. Some effects don't change size based on your zoom, so that's why I was checking. Okay. I do need to. I'm not gonna worry about that for now, though. I was just curious if you knew one. Yeah, it does. It is basically that's what I want, but I want that on a much larger scale. So instead of being 14 wide, I want it to be 100 wide. I could manually code it, because I mean, turn off background music so I don't get flagged by the audio again. If I go at warp lum underscore boss. So if I work, come on, there we go. So obviously this, which you've already seen this, right? I want it to expand from the center where the boss will be, not that where this NPC is, and just expand out to the center. And then whenever it hits these, I'm gonna have it so you can stand behind these. Not that one, obviously, because that one you can't stand behind. You can't stand behind that one. Yeah, speed 0. Potentially even drop in. Actually, no, I might drop. Actually, have you played Monster Hunter? I'll make it much easier to explain. If you played Monster Hunter World and you've fought Behemoth, yeah, I don't recall. Also, we don't use Z, we don't use XY. RO has no Z. Yeah, basically, there's a monster that he drops meteors around. Yeah, basically, that's what I want to do. But have it slowly expand, not super fast, rapid expanding. So, kind of like that. Oh, God. My poor dragon. Possibly. I also don't think we have sine and cosine built into the thing. At reload script. Let me stop this script real quick. Wait, I could have just clicked on it. Oh crap, what? Exactly. I mean, I could, because it's C++, I could write some, or import some functions like that, but still, some more advanced math functions. Because I really want to make some nice fancy boss mechanics here. I mean, I already have some. And then I already have some in my vampire instance. Let me go ahead and go back to main real quick. Let me check the music on here while I'm here. Nope, it still doesn't play the fucking music. I don't know why that refused to play the music. We actually have a circular code, so let me actually pull it up. Circle. There you go. No, that's not it. Circle, circle. Oh my god. How do you spell circular? Circular. There we go. Using Discord as my spell check. There you go. Yeah, so we actually have a circular area function. Yeah. So go to definition. Yeah, so here's circular area. This is the circular area math. Yeah. So we don't use cosine or anything like that. We use simple xy. I actually have circular area off because it feels bad. By the way, the only thing that uses circular area is your basic attack, which is why you can attack further straight than you can diagonally in RO. Oh yeah, potentially. But this returns the distance. I would have to inverse this formula, essentially. At some point in time, I broke the job listing on the at job. Okay, let's go over the necromancer jobs real quick. Actually, do I have? Let me see if I have. Let me minimize this real quick. Do I have a necromancer sheet? No, this is the old sheet that's obsolete now. I could probably delete that file, but I won't. Notepad. So we're gonna have necromancer. Necromancer. Dark. Acolyte. Necromancer would obviously be second. And I'll use Lich for now. I hate that job name. Oh, so I'm about to go over real quick. So this gives you HP and SP. Also gives you bones and cursed rubies as a drop. Leech life is basically reverse heal. Raise skeleton is obviously raise skeleton. Evil land is evil land, same as the. It's basically the AoE heal from priest. Bone magic is just big boy summon, a big skeleton summon. Hell's favor, increase nearby summons attack damage. Change your armor to undead. This lets you use leech life on yourself or leech life on allies. you can't actually cast on yourself. And Death Release removes your summons. Control Dead makes them aggressive or passive, similar to the Dragon one, but it affects all your skeletons. Necrosis is a passive that, or toggle, that you do 1% of the target's max HP per hit of a skill. So Soul Strike hits 5 times. This does 5% of their max HP as damage. And then if they die from this spell, or from a, or within 60 seconds. Stop what? I don't know what you're saying. Stop what? No. The point of the game is to have fun. No, but you have plenty of time to play. What I need to do is I need to dilute this class down. That's how you that. Once you're back to work, you can play a few hours a day. It's fine. I'm not going anywhere. And these are the 2 archetypes. Let me check my Discord real quick. Calling someone an idiot. Oof. That sucks. Okay. Yeah, that sounds terrible. You don't have my, like, I don't envy you. Are you able to work from home at least, or no? I'm almost out of coffee. Correction, I'm out of coffee. By the way, if anyone has anything for me request for me to code, let me know. I'm so nice. Oof, yeah, that sucks. I'm not wet, sorry. That's good. At least you're getting off it on Sunday. Are you under NDA or can you talk about work? I was just curious what you're working on. I know you code. You said you were coding for uh, ISO last time we talked, right? I don't have any specific questions, so. Okay. I don't even know what company that is. Let me Google them real quick. I'm sure I recognize them, but Google. Microsoft owned San Francisco. Somehow I'm not surprised Microsoft owns them. Alright, let's be honest. Yeah, I recognized it. Um, One of the best ways to get into coding is to start with modding. That way you have a structure already done there, and then you can just follow the structure. Um, Depends. If you want to like learn it, yes. Learning going to school is better, but yeah. So I would start with modding something. I started off in RO. That was like, well, technically I didn't start off in RO. Technically I started off in 5th grade in basic, in school, but like I didn't really start enjoying it until I started modding, which is essentially what I'm doing here. Minecraft is a really good one to get into because Minecraft has a lot of tools, and a large community. Skyrim is an okay one to get into. Its tools are not as good. When it comes down to it, it's just as simple. It's as simple as if this, do that. So if we take a look, well, let's take a look at what I did today. Actually, that way I don't have to even think about it. So I added. What did I add? I added nf no reflect no reflect nk, sorry. So find all references. Obviously this is gonna be for RO, but so we define the enum, which is basically a constant variable. Codingagame.org. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff like that. Yeah, either code a game or mod something. Those are the two best ways to do it. Just code something. Actually, let me bookmark that. It doesn't load. In game. Coding.org. It's